So welcome to part 2 of the logo 3D text tutorial series. Now I'm going to show you guys how to shade this to make it look a lot better. So we're going to take all the layers from before these layers and we're going to merge it with this part. Okay, so hold shift, we're going to click on all these. We're going to right click and hit merge layers right here. So all of this becomes one. Now we're going to make a new layer on top. Right click and hit mask. We're going to now let's take our brush tool. Okay, make sure your color is on black. Alright, you can reset by hitting D on your keyboard. Now we're just going to go right here. We're going to paint some nice little shadows, like so. So right here, paint some shadows, boom. There we go. Alright, so once that looks good, we're going to go for this tool, click and hold. Let's go to polygonal lasso select. Now for these edges, okay, you want to click. We're going to go around like so. Alright, we're going to take our eraser tool right here. We're going to take our eraser tool right here. Drop the hardness all the way down, increase the size, and we're just going to erase this part. Now just hit Ctrl D. Now you can see this makes a nice 3D crease. It distinguishes the surfaces. So do the same for this part. Oops. Okay. So click a few times. Ctrl D to deselect. Now you can see we have some nice shading. You can change the mode to soft light. Duplicate this twice and adjust this as well. You can also make a new layer and mask. You can use the color white right here to paint some highlights. If you do wish to do so, just like that. Why not? Go for overlay. I'm just gonna copy it one last time. Alright, so I think this looks pretty good. Now for the top layer, let's go right click and let's hit blending options. For this one, let's go for bevel mask. Now right here, you could just copy my settings. Just kind of experimenting with what looks good. This and lower the opacity. Alright, so I think this is fine. So okay. I'm going to make a new layer on top and right click mask. Brush tool. Color is white. And we're just going to paint in the center. Like so. That looks pretty good to me. Let's go new layer again. Right click and mask. Let's go for pencil and we're going to click right here, go to the other side and drag a nice little shape. Let's go across. We're going to change the color to white. Make sure to mask this and change the mouse overlay. Like so. And finally we can add a nice little shadow. So let's go hold Alt, drag this layer down. This will make a copy. Right, we're going to right click, blending options, change the color to black right here. Let's go filter blur, and Gaussian blur. This can load. Thank you. Alright, let's blur this out. Not too much though, let's say okay. And now just for some extra touches, I'm just going to paint some color like so. Let's go for overlay. I'm also going to change the background color. Okay, and we'll go for a dark gray color. Boom. And as you can see, this is our finished result. I think it looks really nice. If this video has helped you, don't forget to leave a like and also a comment down below. And yeah, with that being being said, I will see you guys in the next